Hello all. This video is a continuation of the previous one, Industrial Internet of Things. In the previous video, we have learned the classification of sensors, definitions for transducers and actuators. So the characteristics of sensors we have learned. Next one is the classification of actuators. Actuators are like kind of motors which facilitates the movement or locomotion of a system or maybe a robot. The first type of actuator is nothing but the electric linear, electric rotary, fluid power linear, fluid power rotary, linear chain actuators, manual linear, manual rotary. These are the different classifications of actuators. Electric linear actuator. It is usually powered by electrical signal, mechanical device containing linear guides, motors, and drive mechanisms. It usually converts the electrical energy into linear displacement. Whenever we want some linear movement using electrical energy as the input, then we can go with electric linear actuators. It is usually used in automation applications, including electric bell, opening and closing dampers, locking the doors, and braking machine motions. So when we need the movement like this, like a straight line, then we can go with these types of linear actuators, which will usually be powered by electrical energy. This is also comes under the mechanical device. Electric rotary actuator means using electrical energy, electrical signal. The final output will be a rotary movement of the machine. It is also powered by electrical signal. The main application of this one includes quarter turn valves, windows, and also sometimes used robotics. So this usually converts the electrical energy into rotational motion. Fluid power linear actuators. It is usually powered by hydraulic fluid power linear actuator means the final output is going to be linear. It is going to be powered by means of hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic fluid can also be a gas or it can be a differential air pressure. This also comes under a mechanical device. As it is involving fluid, this will be having a cylinder in it. It will be having a piston mechanism which produces the linear displacement. Primarily, these types of actuators are quite expensive and easy to and not that much easy to maintain, and it is also quite costly. Primarily, these types of actuators are used in automation applications like clamping and also in welding, and especially in automobile industries and in car industries. Fluid power rotary actuators. Fluid power rotary actuators. The output is nothing but rotary movement. The mechanical device is powered by means of fluid, gas, or the differential air pressure. That is what they are mentioning here. So it converts the hydraulic fluid, gas, or differential air pressure into rotational motion. Primarily, applications of this actuators involves opening and closing of dampers, windows, doors, shutters, very big applications, rotary movement, where rotary movement is necessary, and also in clamping. Next one is the linear chain actuators. Linear chain actuators. These are mechanical devices which produces linear motion by the free ends of the specially designed chains. With the help of a chain, the input device or the input action will be in the form of rotation by means of a chain, but the output will be linear. So that is what they mentioned here. Primarily used in motion control applications. So the next one is manual linear actuators. This also produces linear displacement through the translation of manually rotated screws or gears. So somebody will be rotating or giving the input manually, and the output will be linear. As showed in old films and all, somebody will be rotating and linear movement will happen. So this usually consists of gearboxes and hand-operated knobs or wheels, primarily used for manipulating tools and workpieces. I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika.